Yes guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today guys, we are doing a bike check with Tyler and Buddy guys. So I'm on my way to go and meet them now guys. So I'll see you when we're there. Yo! I am. Oh shit! Right, say hi guys. Yes guys. So let's get into the bike check guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube, turn post notifications on, subscribe to I8 Wheelies, link in description.
What's going on guys? So my bike, I got this recently, I got it yesterday actually. Got the 26 Mafia Bomber Tiger, the Ambush. And already I've put my SLX on there. I got new pads for it.
Which I fitted guys.
Yeah.
Bike mechanic,
Working outwards. It's got DMR V12s on them. It's got brand new Blad bars. It's got the crown there. It's got the old tyres. But I'm going to be putting on some new pegs that I got yesterday, grippy pegs. And that's about it, to be honest. It's quite stock.
So what? How thick are the tyres?
They're 26 by 3s.
You can't even buy these tyres anymore, guys.
Yeah. They do 2.8s now. That's the thickest they do, I'm pretty sure.
Look at them. Yeah. Right on, mate. Right. Yeah. So right, let's move on to Tyler's bike, guys. Let's go.
My bike, it's a GT Aggressor Expert. It's a 2019 bike. It's got a Loudon Lit sticker that Harry gave me.
Say thank you.
Thank you, Harry.
Yep.
Got death grips. Need some new ones already.
You do.
Yeah. And got the posh blue cable ties.
Got the they are.
Oh yeah.
Some sick cable ties, guys. Nice. So what derailleur have you got? What derailleur? Show us your derailleur.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's got the Shimano Ultra. I think my shifters are that on my bike. And it's got, what brakes you got? What brakes? Tetra, let me see.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. So, oh yeah, we've got the red tyre caps right there as well, front and back. So are you going to do any more upgrades on this bike?
Probably, yeah.
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 Alright, so that is it for this trash bike, guys. Let's get into mine. So my bike, guys, I have got the Mafia, Bike Life Mafia seat, which is soaking wet. Guys, what are we doing? Guys, so we got the Bike Life Mafia seat, which is soaking wet because look at it.
He's getting loud, Really?
What are you doing, mate?
Really? Thinks he's sick, really?
Okay, so guys, it's got the Shimano Dior with a red brake grip. I got my first scratch in it, which I started crying about, but never mind. I put these on yesterday, guys. We've got the SE Racing grips. We've got the SE Donut. I think they're like fabric or something. They just go on. I've got the ODI bar ends. I've got the same on both sides because I don't like the SE ones, guys. They're just red. It's just too much red. So yeah, I've got the Brentford bar still, as you've seen in my old videos. I got that stem's like XLC, something like that. It's like £40. I've got a Hope top cap and a Hope bolt, Hope spacers, FSA headset. I've got grip tape right there, guys. I've got it on both sides. I've got nuke-proof pedals. I think they're like £50 on ones. We did. And then guys, I put this on yesterday, we've got a Real Supreme sticker under there, under my frame. This bike is not a single speed either, guys. It is free. What do you call it? It's not a single speed, it's a free speed on the front.
Yeah, free speed.
And then it's got
free by how many gears
these nasty shifters I don't like.
How many gears have you got at the back?
Like 9.
Oh, so it's got 27.
27 gears, guys, this bike's got.
What's my yours is 8?
But guys, I am getting a new bike soon. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you will see it. It is going to be a good video, guys. I'm getting it soon, guys. I'm still keeping this bike, but it's just I just want a bigger bike. And so yeah, let's get some wheelie clips. I'll put you onto my helmet. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Whoa! You're gonna fall off. Don't fall off. Oh my god, it's so windy. Oh, it's so windy, guys. My forks are ruined.